Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to add purchase quotation name based on purchase sequence. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here our module Dev purchase quotation number. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase app, create new quotation. Now select vendor and see here this sequence. Display here total to purchase order and purchase quotation. First I want to select purchase quotation and add product is customizable desk and save. So see here I select purchase quotation. So based on sequence generated here purchase name purchase quotation 01 and now confirm this order. And see here change sequence name is purchase order and also change here purchase order name is 16 or display here purchase order. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.